Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play 18 different folk songs with just one easy to learn strum pattern. Now if you'd like to get a more detailed breakdown of this strum pattern, you can get my 3-step guide for free by clicking at the top right corner of this video in the information card. In the 3-step guide, I teach you this strum pattern as well as a couple of others, and you'll also get the 18 chords that I use for all of my beginner song tutorials, which now I have over 100 different song tutorials that use just the 18 chords and the 3 strum patterns that I teach you in the 3-step guide. So it's a great place to get started if you're a beginner. Okay, so enough chat. Let's go ahead and get started with the songs.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my day. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, place where I was born and raised, the place where he was born and raised. It ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. It don't matter anyhow. It ain't no use to sit and wonder why, babe. If you don't know by now, when your rooster crows at the break of dawn, look out your window and I'll be gone. You're the reason I'm traveling on. Well, don't think twice, it's alright. Wandered so aimless, life filled with sin. I wouldn't let my dear Savior in. When Jesus came like a stranger in the night, praise the Lord, I saw the light. I saw the light, I saw the light. No more darkness, no more night. Now I'm so happy, no sorrow inside. Praise the Lord, I saw the light. One evening as the sun went down, the jungle fires were burning. Down the track came a hobo hiking, and he said, boys, I'm not turning. I'm headed for a land that's far away, beside the crystal fountain. So come with me, we'll go and see the big rock candy mountains. In the big rock candy mountains, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes and you sleep out every night, where the boxcars all are empty and the sun shines every day, and the birds and the bees and the cigarette trees, the lemonade springs and the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountains. Get rhythm when you get the blues. Come on, get rhythm when you get the blues. Get a rockin' on, feel it in your bones. Put taps on your twos and get going. Get rhythm when you get the blues. Yes, I understand that every life must end. As we sit alone, I know someday we must go. I'm a lucky man Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, moving like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. There's a dark and a troubled side of life. There's a bright and a sunny side too. Though we meet with the darkness and strife, the sunny side we also may view. Keep on the sunny side, always on the sunny side. Keep on the sunny side of life. It will help us every day, it will brighten all the way, if we'll keep on the sunny side of life. Give me that old-time religion, give me that old-time religion, give me that old-time religion. It's good enough for me. It was good for our mothers, it was good for our mothers, it was good for our mothers, and it's good enough for me. Keep a close watch on this heart of mine. Keep my eyes wide open all the time. Keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. This 9-pound hammer is a little too heavy, ready for my size, ready for my size. So I'm going to the mountain just to see my baby, and I ain't coming back. No, I ain't coming back. Roll on, buddy, don't you roll so slow. Tell me how can I roll when the wheels won't go. Roll on, buddy, pull your load of coal. Tell me how can I pull when the wheels won't roll. I was standing by my window on a cold and cloudy day when I saw the hearse come rolling for to carry my mother away. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. There is a time for love and laughter. The days will pass like summer storms. The winter winds will follow after. There is love and love is warm. There is a time for us to wander. Time is young and so are we. The woods are greener over yonder. The path is new and the world is free. no need to live if you're to come up gone. As my life turns to a song, and if and when I treat you wrong, no, I never want to hurt our family. And I would give up everything. This is not just about me. I don't know a plain way to say it, babe. They may pay us all in fame, but that is not why we came. I know well and good that won't heal our hearts. We came for salvation, we came for family, we came for all that's good. That's how we walk away. We came to break the plan, we came to cheer the sad, we came to leave behind the world a better way. Love is a burning thing, and it makes fiery ring. Bound by wild desire, I fell into a ring of fire. I fell into a burning ring of fire. Went down, 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 and the flames went higher, and it burns, burns, burns. The ring of fire, the ring of fire. Hear the train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom prison, and time keeps dragging on. That train, it keeps a-rolling on down to San Antonio. How many roads must a man walk down before you call him a man? How many seas must a white dove sail before she sleeps in the sand? How many times must the cannonballs fly before they're forever banned? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind.
All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And remember, if you'd like to get that free 3-step guide, you can click right here to get that. All right, I hope to see you in another lesson. Take care.